You can use the features in WordPress to organize media within the WordPress admin panel. Start by clicking the media link in the navigation bar at the left side of the screen. Then select either the library command, which takes you to the media library, or select the Add New command, which allows you to upload a new piece of media to the media library. Note that the library view is the default view after you initially click the media button. If you select Library, you will see a list of all media uploaded to your media library. Within this screen, you can use the buttons and commands to edit the media or search for a specific image or video or other kind of media content. Starting in WordPress 4.0, the media will be displayed in a grid view, which displays an infinitely scrolling grid of thumbnail images for all of the media items that you have uploaded. To switch back to the older list view, you can click the List View button that appears at the end of the toolbar above the media grid. You can switch back to the grid view by clicking the adjacent Grid View button that appears next to the List View button at the left end of the same toolbar. The grid view emphasizes the media thumbnails and shows them in one large scrollable grid. The list view shows additional columns of information about each media item shown within a page in the media library, but media items are shown on separate pages that display roughly 24 media items per page by default. You can navigate through the pages of media items using the page navigation buttons that appear in the upper right section above the media content listed when using the list view. To filter the types of media items shown within the media library, you can simply click the leftmost drop-down that appears above the content at the top of the media library, and then select a media type from the drop-down menu that appears. Note that if you are using the list view of the media library, you must then click the adjacent filter button that appears to the right in order to apply the selected filter. Note that this filter is applied in conjunction with the choice made from the adjacent date filter to its right, which we will discuss momentarily. Simply making a choice from the drop-down will automatically filter the content if using the grid view. The default choice is to show all media items. However, you could also select images, audio, video, or unattached. This will display only images, only audio files, only video files, or only media that is not associated with a page or post within the media library. You can filter the items shown within the media library by date as well. To do this, click the rightmost drop-down shown above the content at the top of the media library, and then select a date range from the drop-down menu that appears. Note that if you are using the list view, you must then click the adjacent filter button that appears to the right to apply the selected filter. Also remember that this filter is applied in conjunction with the choice that you make from the media type drop-down as well. Simply making a choice from the drop-down will automatically filter the content if using the grid view. The default choice is to show all dates. You can also select a month and year shown in the drop-down menu, however, to filter the media items and show only the media uploaded within the month that you select. Now you can use the Bulk Actions drop-down that appears within the List view, or you can use the Bulk Select button that appears within the Grid view to delete multiple selected media items at once. You will learn how to apply that feature in the next lesson. To search for a piece of media, use the search box that appears above the content at the top of the media library. How you use it depends on whether you are using the grid view or the list view of the media library. If using the grid view, when you start typing the word or phrase that you are searching for into this box, the media library will automatically display matching results as you type. To show all of the media items again when finished, you can delete what you have typed into this box, or simply press the small X button that appears at the right end of the box to clear the search terms. If you're using the list view, type a word or phrase to search for into this box, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard to display matching results in the media library. To display all of the items again when finished, you can click into the box and delete the search terms that you typed, or press the small X button that appears at the right end of the box to clear the search terms, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard again. If using the list view of the media library, you can sort the media items shown by the columns that are shown within this view. By default, the columns are File, Author, Uploaded to, Comments, and Date. To do this, roll your mouse pointer over the column heading by which you want to sort the media items, and you will see a small arrow appear next to the column name. The direction of the arrow, meaning up or down, indicates the type of sort that will first be applied to the media items using the values within the selected column. An up arrow means an ascending sort order will be applied, 1 to 9 or A to Z, and a down arrow indicates a descending sort order will be applied, meaning Z to A or 9 to 1. Click the arrow to apply the sort to the media items using the column's values. Click the arrow again to apply the alternate sort order to the media items if desired. Managing individual media items, meaning viewing, deleting, and editing media items, is also different between the grid view and the list view. If using the grid view, click a media item to open an attachment details window. In this window, you will see a preview of the media at the left side and the media's information, which we will discuss in a later lesson, shown in the area to the right. At the bottom of the area to the right, you can click the links for View Attachment Page, Edit More Details, or Delete Permanently to view, edit, or delete the selected media. Also note that you can scroll through the previous and next media items in the media library within this window by clicking the left and right pointing arrows in the upper right corner of the Attachment Details window. You can close the Attachment Details window by clicking the X button in the upper right corner of the window. If using the list view, you can simply roll your mouse pointer over the media that you want to manage, and then click either the Edit, Delete Permanently, or View hyperlinks that appear below the media item's name in the File column to edit, delete, or view the attachment page of the media. When you click either the Edit More Details link when in the Attachment Details window in the grid view, or click the Edit link that appears underneath media items in the list view, Wordpress will open an Edit Media window where you can click an Edit Image button in order to edit the image for images, edit the media caption, edit the media's alternative text, or edit the media's description. The options available will vary based on the type of media selected. We will review the specific options for the major media types, such as images, audio, and video, in later lessons within this chapter. After you have made any editing changes to the media that you want to apply within the Edit Media window, you should click the Update button in the Save panel to the right of the Edit Media window to save your changes.